Hi everyone! Happy almost Halloween! I am so excited, I can hardly wait. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a mummy cookie. No, not a mommy cookie, a mummy cookie. Here's what you'll need. Some white chocolate. We're gonna use it to melt down to make the mummy wrappings and also as the eyes. Next, you're gonna need some coconut oil. This will help melt down the chocolate because oil mixes with chocolate to help it melt and get all liquidy. You'll need some sandwich cookies, like these. And last but not least, some black food dye. Okay, let's get started. Take 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil and put in the white chocolate and melt until gooey. Use a toothpick and dip into the dye to put on the white chocolate chips. This makes our eyes. Use the melted white chocolate to stripe over the cookies. That'll be the mummy's wrappings. Then dot with the eyes. Spooktastic.